case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1940, the Supreme Court of the United States ruled in the landmark Helvering v. Bruun case, setting a precedent that the value derived from a property is taxable income, even if it's not realized in cash or from an asset sale. This case pivoted on whether added value from a leasehold forfeiture, compliments of a tenant building a new structure on the property, was taxable. Initially, the lower courts posited that no income was realized. However, lack of uniformity in past decisions led to the case being scrutinized anew. Interestingly, the Board of Tax Appeals failed to provide independent findings, relying solely on agreed facts. For context, the respondent had leased his land to a tenant who, bearing rights to alter the land, demolished the existing building and constructed another. After the tenant defaulted on rent and taxes, the lease was canceled, enabling the respondent to reclaim ownership of the land and the new building. The fair market value of the new building led the petitioner to claim that the respondent had gained a net income of $51,434.25 in 1933, prompting a legal dispute. Despite the argument from the petitioner, the board dismissed this claim, their decision subsequently upheld by the Circuit Court of Appeals. It's worth noting a historical complication. The Treasury had ruled that adjusted value of improvements on leased premises were taxable income upon lease termination, a notion invalidated in Miller v. Guerin in 1919. However, the Supreme Court disagreed with the lower courts. Overturning the judgment, they held that the gain was indeed taxable, debunked the respondent's counter-argument, and offered a broadened understanding of taxable income under the 16th Amendment. The court explained that taxable gain extends beyond cash from assets, encoding the exchange of property, debt payment, liability relief, and completed transactions within the domain of taxable gross income. This case redefined income boundary lines, highlighting that realization can be more than a financial transaction and can include changes in property and the resolution of liabilities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.